Hello everyone, how are you? And welcome back to Shivi, Globy Shivi. And thank you for watching. I am obsessed with my look and with my views already because many people has been support me, and now I give you a creative and a very natural finish makeup. So now it is very easy and quick. It is not long video. It is very short video. You can see also and watch full video and enjoy with me. So now here I'm using first of much more blush after my serum, and then I'm using blush and blend it. And today I hope you are very well, and we are soon again, like yesterday I was come live, so many people has loved me and watch full video, and many people join my live and share more people's with more people. So I am thank you, thanks a lot everyone, because many people send most important and very beautiful comment and talk with other each other. And so literally I'm very happy to come live. If you want to see my live, so comment here. So come again, come and tell me guys, what do you learn and what do you enjoy with my video. And it is very difficult when I come live, because it is my second and first time when it is first time because I never do live makeup. But yesterday was I do live makeup, and I tell many things, many story for me. When we are we are first we are fresher, then we do like how to handle client and how to manage all work. I managed more manage all work. After that I make the video, and so it is very difficult everyone. But when you hope sometime, after some time, if you have enjoy and if you have interest anything to create a video, so you can also do it without any hesitation. So it is also like same things with me. It is my hobby, and you can say it is I am very very interested to do this makeup and anything, so like social media. But I am beginner, I know, but I am doing practice. After I realize it is very difficult, but I have to do anyhow. I have to do when I grow up, and like when I want to grow, and more many things to do with happen. Like if you want to do anything with your life, so you can do more things. If you don't want to do anything, so you can leave it. But some people has very soft heart that and they watch full video, and after comment me, ma'am, it is very talk to in English, but no one has judged me. And after that so I'm doing like same things. No one judge me, and no one like comment here, so I don't have any problem if any person like troll me. And that time I think what to do with me, but not no one troll me, and it is very good with me. So thank you everyone. And just see my look, it is very like flawless makeup. If you want to do, so you can also doing with you. So now you can see it is very flawless, and I am very pretty. I'm looking very pretty. So comment here and tell me what see how to see how was my look and how it is my look. And many look I doing here, I'm doing here. So you can say it is very nice. And if you enjoy this video, also comment and tell me what do you think, what do you learn with me. And after that we will meet again soon. So one thing I tell you, if I can so you can also, like if I doing practice, I'm doing practice English. It is very better from earlier. Now I feel it is very smooth and very focused on English. So if I can, you can also. So do practice and never judge yourself and never feel very less. You are best in the world. So whole world, you are amazing and you are unique. Think yourself like same. When you are thinking like this, you are doing good. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, comment and like, share, subscribe.